Here are the kitchen products everyone's talking about. Let's take a look. Cooking often starts with chopping, and that usually takes the most time. This slicer turns it into a quick, easy step. With one press, your ingredients are cut into even pieces and collected neatly in the box below, keeping your counter clean. The 6 interchangeable blades give you options for slices, cubes, or thicker cuts, and the sturdy design keeps it safe and steady while you work. When you're done, just lift out the box, rinse it, and it's ready to use again. A simple tool that makes everyday prep faster, cleaner, and much more convenient. This 5-in-1 multifunctional slicer is made to make everyday cooking feel effortless. Instead of juggling knives and endless cutting boards, you just place your ingredients inside, press down, and in seconds, everything is neatly sliced or grated. The motion feels light and smooth, and the built-in holder keeps your hands safe the whole time. What makes it even better is how clean it keeps your space. Everything falls right into the container, so there's no scattered pieces and no messy countertop. After you're done, it takes just a moment to rinse and put away. It's one of those tools that saves you time, keeps things tidy, and makes preparing a meal feel less like a chore and more like a simple part of the day. If you've ever wished for an easier, faster way to tackle tough cleaning jobs around the house, this electric scrubbing tool might be exactly what you need. Designed to make your cleaning routine more efficient, this compact yet powerful brush is perfect for everything from scrubbing dirty dishes to polishing sink fixtures, stovetops, tiles, and even bathroom mirrors. With its ergonomic handle and one-touch operation, it fits comfortably in your hand, allowing you to clean longer without fatigue. The motorized head rotates quickly to lift away stubborn grime, dried food, soap scum, and stains. No more endless scrubbing with sponges or manual brushes. It comes with multiple interchangeable heads, so you can switch between soft pads for delicate surfaces and bristles for tougher messes in seconds. Lightweight and cordless, it's ideal for everyday tasks, deep cleaning sessions, or even on-the-go tidying. Whether you're refreshing your kitchen, detailing your bathroom, or giving surfaces a sparkling finish, this tool turns chore time into less of a hassle and a lot more satisfying. Once you try it, you'll wonder how you ever cleaned without it.